Okay. There we go, then it won't actually melt the pot.
I'm gonna... You go there.
Yeah.
Tell me when you want me to pour.
I'm just videoing to pour whenever you're ready.
Yeah, perfect pour.
Oh, that's a
Except it's
blob.
gonna burn my... Let's pour the rest into there.
Is that enough?
Yeah,
Probably.
'cause look, it's come up to there.
Oh,
So that tells us we've got...
enough.
Yeah.
Lovely.
That's a burner. It's gonna burn my moulding table. My moulding... What's it called? My moulding... My mould. It's a mould, isn't it?
Mold holder?
Yeah, mould holder. It's not a
Wooden
mould,
frame?
is it? Yeah, mould frame or... I don't really know what it is, to be honest. Well, that's that then. Pick this up. Yeah, no, it's still not.